Hi, in this video I will demonstrate how to update and export WordPress comments. If you haven't watched how to import comments to WordPress video, check the link in description. Now let's see the comments I have on my WordPress website. These are the comments I have on my website. Comments are added by Harry, Becky and James. Harry is one of the WordPress admin. He had replied to Becky's comments. You can see here the reply is added as separate comment. In this video, I will also explain how to fix this. And I have one spam comment and one pending approve comment. We are going to update this comments data. Let's start to edit the CSV file. I have opened my CSV file in Google Sheets. Now I'm going to change the comment content posted by Becky. I will change it to Hi, I'm Becky. Here article really helpful for me. Next I'm changing the author James email address. I change it to jamestest@mail.com. Then I am changing the comment date of the admin Harry. Then I remove the spam comment and make it as approved by providing the value 1. Next I want to make this comment of Harry as a reply to the comment given by Becky. Instead of looking this as new comment, I have added a new column, comment parent, and here you need to mention the parent comment ID to post this comment as a reply to the parent comment. So Becky's comment ID is 19. So here I provided the value 19. The file is ready now. Now I am generating this sheet as a CSV link. Copy this link, move to the WordPress dashboard and visit the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin page to import the CSV data into your WordPress. You can upload your CSV or XML file from any of these locations. Now I am using this upload from URL option. Here paste the copied CSV link of your Google Sheet. Click on continue. Next, choose existing items. As we are going to update the existing comments data, make sure the comments option is chosen as post type. Click on continue. Next, you need to map your CSV headers with WordPress fields. Sure all the fields in your CSV is mapped here. Provide a name here to save this mapping template. Click on continue. Next, you need to choose the comment post ID here to update your records based on this field. Now click on update. The update is completed. Let's verify it by clicking the view log button. Here you can see the date is updated. The email is updated. The William comment is set to approved. Here you can see Harry's comment is added as a reply to Becky's comment. So this is how you update comments data with the help of WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Next, we can see how to export comments data from WordPress using Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Visit the plugin page and move to the Export tab. Here choose the Comments option. Click on Continue. You can use this already saved mapping template or you can create new mapping template. Provide a file name to export. You can choose any file types from here. I let it be CSV. If you have bulk amount of comments in your WordPress website, then you can split the records and export. You can apply advanced filters to export specific comments from your WordPress website. You can also schedule this export using this option. Now let's instantly export comments data from WordPress website by clicking on the export button. Data is exported successfully. Click download to save the comments data in your local. The file is downloaded. Let's open and see the result. Here you can see all my comments data are exported successfully. This is how you export comments data from WordPress using Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching the video.